This is a RealGuard overall voltage circuit breaker. Actually, advantage of this product is mainly the home will be having protection for over short circuit and over current. They are using MCB and ELCB for that protection in the panel boards. But there is no voltage protection for entire home. They are using separate independent stabilizers for each appliances, and it's a very costly affair. And advantage of this product is we can provide product that OVCB is having different models, that is for the regular voltage area and low voltage area. For low voltage they can choose the boosting bucking model, that is along with the stabilizer, and its advantage is the same products itself they are getting output for different segments. That is in the home segment normally motor, air conditioner like products, it's sensitive for high voltage and low voltage, and this case they can use the stabilizer terminal. In the same product itself there is a provision for stabilizer output and a normal OVCB output. So the other appliances like fan or LCD TV, these are not sensitive for low voltage. So it can work from up to 90 volts, it will work. So they can connect the other appliances to the OVCB terminal in the same product. So advantage is the same product, there is a different category available for output. They can connect the stabilizer required product to stabilizer terminal, the other products to the OVCB terminal. Advantage is for the 20 amps capacity, 5 kilowatt is provided for OVCB terminal. So other appliances like fan, light, everything can be connected to OVCB. And one more main advantage is its energy saving, because you know a single refrigerator stabilizer, its consumption is nearly 7 to 10 units per month. Multiple stabilizer usage in home, that will add the energy consumption. So this advantage is per phase consumption of this product is 3 units only. So there is a huge energy saving in the home. And other feature is the protection from double phasing, because suppose any neutral loose connection in the home or in the LCD board wiring layout, the total appliance will damage because of the double phase. Double phase means they are nearly 440 volts will come to the line. So in this with this product advantage is whatever the phase is lifting it beyond the supply voltage, it will trip for particular load. Market projection means actually it is a unique product in the market. There is no competitor or there is no similar product in the market. So advantage is for each home, for the new building or old building, this is required, because they may be having stabilizers or not, two stabilizers that may be available for refrigerator or TV, but they are using many number of electronic appliances in home. So total entire protection is exclusive protection is very important for a building. So its requirement is very mass in the market. So we have already launched in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And now we are starting Hyderabad. Next month we are going to start in Maharashtra. So within a quarter period we can enter all over India, total all states. That is our master plan.